I tried Edge Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Edge Wallet app, I wasn't expecting much. It looked like just another crypto wallet, clean interface, multiple coin support, and the usual promises of security and privacy. But after 7 days of using it, I found the shocking truth. Edge is one of the most user-friendly yet surprisingly powerful self-custody wallets out there. On day 1, setup was refreshingly simple. No seed phrase to write down immediately. Instead, it uses a username, password, and recovery system that still keeps you in control of your keys. Most people get this wrong, thinking that makes it centralized, but here's why it doesn't. Edge encrypts everything on your device before it ever touches the internet. You still own your private keys, and no one, not even Edge, can access your funds. Throughout the week, I tested it across different blockchains: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and even stablecoins. Sending and receiving crypto was instant and smooth, and the built-in exchange feature made swapping tokens fast without needing a separate app. The standout feature, though, was its focus on privacy. There is no personal data collection, and transactions can be routed through multiple sources for added anonymity. It even integrates with partner apps like Bitrefill and Wire for purchasing crypto and gift cards directly inside the wallet. Of course, no app is perfect. The design, while functional, could feel a little dated, and support for some Diffie tokens was limited. But when it comes to convenience and safety, Edge impressed me far more than expected. By day 7, the truth was clear. Edge Wallet strikes a rare balance between ease of use and true crypto ownership. It's ideal for beginners who want control without complexity. If you've ever felt intimidated by self-custody wallets, Edge might just be the bridge you've been waiting for.